Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig from Charisma Wig, which is a company that you can find on Amazon.com. This is another Amazon Prime wig with a frontal, with a cool color. It is 22 inches long. It is so cute. So I'm going to be showing you two different styles that you can do with this wig. So if you're interested in seeing me do that, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's hop into this wig review. I have the Charisma wig right here. It does come in like a large Ziploc bag, as you can see. So this wig is 22 inches long, and it is an ash blonde, beautiful color. I love it. It is a cap size medium. It is a very large cap size for my head personally, so that is actually a good thing. I don't mind it. It's not too tight. It's very comfortable to wear. As you can see, it's very pre-plucked, and it does have like a frontal. All that front part of the wig is all lace, so it gives you a lot of room to do different styles. I wouldn't say it's a frontal because it's not the whole, the whole part of your head from ear to ear, but it is a very nice space. It's frontal like, and as you can see, it is very much pre-plucked. You don't have to do anything to this wig. It's very faded in the front, so it makes it look a lot more natural, as you'll be able to see when I put the wig on. So the first thing I'm going to do to make the lace blend into my skin tone, I'm going to use this Wig Extensions Lace Tint Spray in the shade Golden. I do have to tint this lace. This lace is extremely white. It is an Asian company, I believe, so it's meant for a very light skin tone. So you do have to do something to this lace, whether it be this product right here, which is my absolute favorite. As you can see from before to after, look at the lace now, and it is very quick and simple to do. Or, doing something more extreme like bleaching or anything like that. But I just love using this wig extension spray because it's so simple and quick to use. All you do is add it to the lace of your wig and then just let it air dry, or you can use a blow dryer if you're more in a rush. And it needs to be dry before you put it on, but it will tint your lace very nicely. There's 3 different shades, so you can customize the shade to your actual skin tone. So now I'm using the Got to Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray, and what I'm doing is just spraying around, and then I'm just going to let that dry. I'm going to use a blow dryer to quicken that process. I love using a blow dryer when I'm sticking my wigs down. It just makes that freeze blasting spray extra tacky, and I'm just going to stick the wig down onto that area that I sprayed the freeze blasting spray onto it, and that will adhere the wig to my head. So here is the first style. Very, very simple. All you do is take the wig out of the package and adhere the wig to your head using the freeze blasting spray. You don't have to do anything to it. You just sleek it down. It's just a very nice, sleek, classic type of style. Comb your hair down, brush it down, make sure it's nice and sleek, and that's all you have to do, and you're done. The next style will be a little bit more in depth and a little bit more complicated. But as you can see, this is a very, very nice wig. It looks very natural, and it's so simple to wear. It really is. And I really like it. I love the lace. I love the quality of the wig. The only thing is it is a bit tangly. It does get a bit tangled up, but that's nothing that is a deal breaker for me because of the price and the fact that it is synthetic. So for style number 2, I do have the wig on a mannequin head because I'm going to be doing a little bit of frontal work. I'm going to actually do a style using the frontal. So I'm making a box shape on all of the lace that's at the top of the wig, making sure you can see the parts on all 3 sides. And then I'm just going to put it into a high ponytail at the top where I made that box, and I just did that with a hair tie, and then I wrapped a piece of the hair that I put into the ponytail around the base of the ponytail to make a nice little style right there and to mask the hair tie, the black hair tie. So now all I did was have some little bit of the hairs hanging down in the front I'm taking some scissors and I'm just going to cut those in a diagonal going down as they get longer as they go down the wig, and that's just going to make the style even cuter and just put a little bit of sort of type of bangs, baby hairs in the front of the wig. So now I have my wig cap on and I'm ready to put the wig back on my head. So as you can see, I have finished the style, and I did add 2 of these really trendy type of hair clips on either side of the ponytail at the top of the wig. I will have those hair clips in the description box below. They are also from Amazon, and they're really amazing, and they're really good price, about $6.99. So I'm taking the Wig Extensions Lace Tint Spray, and also they got to be glued freeze blasting spray. You saw me do this before, so I did tint the lace again because I had washed it, and then I'm going to do the same process over again with using this got to be freeze blasting spray to adhere the wig to my head. So as you can see, I have those little bangs that I made in the front, like slick down to the side, either side of the ponytail, and you'll see me do it on this side too after I adhere the wig to my head. And I did use mousse, which you're going to see me use in a second, to actually like really smooth those edges down in the front and make them look a lot more natural and also a lot more sleek. So I'm taking this mousse from TGIN, thank God I'm natural, and I'm just slicking that all over those edges, all over the hair, everywhere, just to make the hair a lot more sleek. And I found that adding products, especially this mousse, to the hair really did make it tangle less. It wasn't so dry and just when it was really dry and just nothing on it, it was a lot more tangly. But actually adding some product to it, even if you have some leave-in conditioner, like a spray one, which I did add to this, actually I just didn't show it, and some mousse, just adding that to it and really combing it out, it will make it tangle a lot less. So that's what I did, and after that I am completely done. The only thing left that I want to do is take one of these black strips that salon people use, salon stylists use, just to lay down the front of the wig. I'm just going to tie that on my head and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and when I remove it, my hair will be nice and flat and sleek and just really laid in the front. Alright guys, so this is the second style. All I did was take the frontal area at the top of the wig, that lace, to create a high ponytail, and then accented it with 2 of these pearl type of hair clips, which I will have linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do love Charisma Wig. If you are looking for some more like fun type of colors or something like this, you need to check them out on Amazon. They're really high quality, not the best because they are synthetic, but for the price, they are right. I'm really sad that and sorry that I'm late with the 5th day of Christmas video, but I am here and I will be back on a normal schedule for 2020. Happy New Year to you guys, and I can't wait to hopefully see you on my next one. Bye.